Enkai means party or banquet in Japanese. It's a Japanese-style social event. There are so many different types of Enkai. We have New Year Enkai, Welcome Enkai, Ladies Only Enkai, etc. There is one kind of Enkai, maybe out of your imagination, called Hitori-Enkai, which means banquet alone, one-person Enkai. Many Japanese restaurants provide this menu, especially the traditional Japanese inns. They have special plan for Hitori-Enkai to encourage people to travel alone easily. Today, I would like to show you how to enjoy the Hitori-Enkai. Prepare any kind of mushroom. Here I have golden oyster mushroom grown at my home. Crown daisy. Green onion. The stem part is for soup. Green part for condiments. Napa cabbage. How fresh it is. Let's cut by 5 cm. Slice carrots. Use shape cutter to have a beautiful shape. Cut tofu into pieces. Konnyaku, it's one kind of yam in Japan. It's good diet food. Let's make it more gorgeous. Boiling for 1 minute. Rice cake I made. Wipe off dust from kelp by the kitchen paper. Soak kelp in water for 30 minutes. Now, let's boil the soup stock made from kelp by using cooking fuel. Oh, it's my Japanese sake time. I like this flavor. This is sake of cherry blossom I made in spring. The light pink is from cherry blossom. Tastes elegant. Now, soup is boiling. Let's put some carrots, Napa cabbages, which take more time to cook. Pour some ponzu and add the green onion. Oh, the freshness. It's honest and never cheat you. So delicious. Let's add more vegetables. This is beef I pre-cooked last night. Cooking steam or smoking from kitchen chimneys always make me happy. Remind me how easy I can be satisfied as a human being. Banquet alone, but I'm not alone. I have so many things to celebrate alone. The birds are singing just behind me, while the flowers are smiling at me. The harvest from garden, the nice weather, the romantic autumn. Life is just so good. Are you going to have your Hitori-Enkai soon?